Good morning, this is Ron Barnes with Starr Concrete. It's that time of year to get those concrete projects done. We're here in Anderson today, getting ready to bust out a 1,000-square-foot driveway, doing a back patio. We're going to get everything prepped and ready to go, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like.
Strong mix in the barrel, no cracks, no fears. Fiber in the blend, holding tight and long. Every pour we make is singing strong. Sidewalks tell stories, patios bring light. We build more than driveways.
Welcome back. It's Ron Barnes with Starr Concrete. As you can see, we've got everything prepped and ready to go. We're getting ready to pour this 1,000-square-foot driveway. I'll be back to show you what it looks like.
Amelia, serene. Bethel's got style. Cincinnati's into
Welcome back. As you can see, we finished up our pour here on our 1,000-square-foot driveway here in Anderson. We have a nice broom finish with a great border on this driveway.
and we don't miss a tune.
If you need a concrete project done, call Starr Concrete. We'd love to help you out.
Ain't just concrete, it's pride in